Hi guys, this is our Slinky toy. Let's try it on. Wait.
Where's the other one?
Yeah.
Guy versus smaller one.
I think it's one.
Ooh, where's the... Guy, this is the...
Marunong ka na pala sumalo. Namal. Nasalo naman niya yung rainbow. Hindi lang siya marunong sumalo ng bola.
Yeah.
Bigger versus smaller. Guys. I'll try the bigger one.
This is mine. Where's yours?
I already... This is mine small.
Why is it big?
This is small. Princess, mine's bigger. Yours is smaller.
Yes.
Princess, you can...
Kuya, mayroon akong ano.
But but their Slinky is for selling.
Why is for sale? No, this is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is mine.
Okay.
How do I fix it? It can't.
Try this.
I don't like.
Try Slinky. Upping na down. Upping na down.
I'm gonna end the video now.
I'm gonna...
Where's yours?
Can I try? Mickey! Mickey!
Ay! Ang long naman ito.
Eh! Princess!
I can't. It's so long.
But this is shorter.
It's so long. Can't even. Now let's put it back on.
But your Slinky has put it back already.
Yes.
So this is my Slinky.